Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My Lord, in respect of item number 9 and 10 of part 2, 9 and 10 of part 2,
Yes.
they are connected cases. The matter had come up last Friday. So I've spoken to my clients regarding the mediation. So they're yet to get back with me with their instructions. So if the matter may be taken up again either on Thursday or Friday, Your Lordship.
9 and 10. Okay, we found it appropriate that it should be listed for mediation, is it?
Yes, so I've already informed my clients.
Uh-huh.
So they said they will take it under advisement and then consult with their other family members.
Okay.
And then they'll get back to us.
On the submission made by Mr. Lalfa Koma, learned counsel for the appellant, list the matter in the next week. Meanwhile, the appellants are to inform the court whether they are willing to have the matter referred to mediation.
My Lord. Oblige.
Admission, item 1.
My Lord, I'm appearing for the petitioners in item number 1, Madam. My Lord, in this, we have taken steps, my Lord, upon the private respondent number 1, 2, and 3 on 8th of August 2025, and as per the office noting, only the ID card in respect of respondent number 1 has come back, my Lord.
Okay, so we'll wait for some time. Heard Mr.
P. Marga.
So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that though AD card from respondent number 1 is returned, return of AD cards from respondent number 2 and 3 is still awaited. In view of the above, we may await for the return of AD card from respondents number 1 and 3.
2 and
The
3, my
mat-
Lord.
2 and 3, yes. List the matter after 3 weeks.
It can be listed on the 7th of October, my Lord. There's already some batch similar.
Okay, the other cases, similar cases are listed?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, in view of the above, as prayed for, list on 7/10/2025. Then
Lord,
the
there's an
present.
interim if can be extended till the next date, my Lord.
Pardon?
There's an interim if it can be extended till the next date,
Let
my
me
Lord.
see. Yes, okay, meanwhile, the interim order passed earlier. Okay. Yes, then the presence of Mr. Samuel L. Sankte, learned counsel for
Respondent number 4, my Lord.
respondent number 4 is noted. Yes.
Obliged.
Ali obliged, my Lord.
Item 2.
Same, similar order?
Item 2, I'm not there, my Lord.
Now,
May it please Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Miss Mary, that is respondent number 2 and 3, state
Yes.
respondents. Your Lordship, state respondents have filed their affidavit, and as for I am also appearing on behalf of Kala, which is respondent number 4. Your Lordship, if I may be given 2 weeks time to file my affidavit, Your Lordship.
Similar prayer for respondent number 1.
okay, anyway, Ms. Valentina, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Ms. London Dewey, learned government advocate for state respondents number
2 and 3, and also, Your Lordship, for respondent number 4.
2, 3, and 4. Comma, Ms. Zainab Sangpui, learned counsel for CGC for respondent number 1. And Mr. Samuel L. Sankte, learned counsel for respondent number 6 and 7. The learned counsels 2 and 3, you have filed your affidavit in opposition.
Yes, Your Lordship.
State.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. It is seen that the state respondents have filed their counter affidavit, while the learned counsels for respondent number 1 and respondent number 6 and 7 have prayed for further time to file their counter affidavits.
And 4 is, Your Lordship, 4 as well, which is Kala.
Okay, while the learned counsels for make mention 1, 4 and 6 and 7. Okay, have prayed for further time. Who is 5?
5 has not been represented, my lord.
Pardon?
5 has not been represented, my lord.
Okay, I have prayed for further time to file their counter affidavits. It is also seen that notice complete upon 5.
Yes, my lord.
It is seen that though AD card from respondent number 5 has returned None appeared on behalf of respondent number 5. In view of the above, list the matter after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Lord.
Item 3.
My lord, in this case, the respondent number 1 is yet to have an instruction in as to whether the matter can be referred for mediation.
Yes.
But my lord, may I state that in the affidavit that was recently filed by the NHIDCL, the respondent number 2 and 3, at page 15, my lord, there's
what did
an
they say?
order issued by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, wherein the representation can be made by the project implementing agency.
Where
So,
is the representation filed? When was it filed?
in the counter affidavit filed by the respondent number 2 and 3,
When was it filed?
maybe on
When did-
12/9, my lord. I have received it on 12/9.
It's not here. On 12.
On 12th, my lord.
Then it should be in the file, but it is not available. Or has it been tagged? Let me just see. I'll just check. All that we have is a copy of the petition. What does the office note say? Nothing like that is reflected here.
Maybe I've been served an advance copy, my lord.
Anyway, it's not available. So the registry can verify and will list it in the short date, maybe. What does it say?
Uh, My lord, it's regarding the subject is defending court cases where Union of India is also a party to the case. I am directed to say that it has come to notice of the ministry that, my lord, the relevant portion is that the project implementing agency can represent the Union of India. Here, my lord, the
So they
project,
can represent, so you can represent. So are you willing to have your matter referred? Because there was one matter which was settled.
yes, my lord.
All that, I think the terms of the settlement was they will verify, and on verification, if the landed property has been acquired, then they will pay within a period, something like that, isn't it, in the mediation? So, yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, one matter was settled.
So
Through
can you
mediation.
settle it in similar terms? Do you want to make an attempt? What about the petitioner?
The petitioners are willing, my lord.
They are willing, isn't it? So see, now if the respondents, they cannot appear in person, you're going to represent them anyways. Isn't it? Their councils. Union of India also will be represented in the mediation because you will be there. You can sit, look into the matter. Then maybe it could go before the same mediator, so that the terms of settlement or the copy of the terms of settlement, if it has been settled, I think we had looked at it yesterday. The order should most probably be out today, the settlement. And if you are also the parties, you'll get the copy of the terms of settlement also. So on the same grounds, if this matter can be settled also. Isn't it? What do you say? It's the parties who have to decide actually.
We have no objection, Your Lordship, for
Okay.
state.
An
Then
attempt can be made.
Can we give it in? Yes. Mr. Lalrokunga Pautu, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Ms. Lalman Louis, learned government advocate for respondents number 5 and 6, comma, Mr. Samuel Malaysia Tangpe, learned additional. No, you are appearing as
Standing counsel,
Yes,
2 to
learned
4.
standing counsel for respondents number
2 to 4.
2 to 4, and Ms. Zainab Sangpui, learned CGC for respondent number 1. Is present, we said, isn't it, along with so and so. The learned counsels submit that they have no objection to the matter being referred to mediation, since a similar matter has also been settled at mediation. In view of the above, matter to be sent for mediation, registry, to do the needful.
I'm obliged.
Item 4.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. My Lord, as per office note dated 16/9/2025, AD card is still awaited.
Who is the respondent?
She's
Private person.
private person. We
respondent.
can make an attempt through Dusty. if
Dusty,
possible.
you can do Dusty then. Yes. Heard Mr. Lalpakoma, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that as per the office note dated 31/07/2025, a return of AD card is still awaited. Full stop. The learned counsel prayed that he may be allowed to serve notice upon the sole respondent through Dusty mode. Praise aloud. Learned counsel for the petitioner to take steps for issuance of notice upon the sole respondent through Dusty mode, and affidavit to that effect is to be duly filed. List after.
2 weeks.
How long will it take?
2
2
weeks.
weeks. 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 5.
My Lord, I'm for respondent number 1. I am seeking another 3 weeks' time for filing affidavit.
Similar prayer on behalf of the state respondents to the 5.
Okay, first time, isn't it?
Yes, my
Then 6 and 7 are.
My Lord, we have taken steps on 13th August, so
Okay,
if we may
AD card,
wait for.
return of AD card still awaited, isn't
Yes, my
it?
Lord.
Mr.
Lobo Marato.
Lom Omaralte, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. Zaram Sangput. Learned counsel for
Respondent
respondent
number 1.
number 1 and Mr. Samuel Valanshiata El Sangpe, learned additional AG for the state respondents number 2 to 5. The learned counsels have prayed for further time to file the counter affidavit. It is also, full stop, then it is also seen that return of AD card from respondent number 6 and 7 is still awaited. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
Obliged, my Lord.
Orders. Item 6.
Lordship, attempt was made as part of the last court order also. So, however, there is no possible attempt, and this today is for this IA, so they had to file written objection. Well, with due permission, Lordship, I would like to withdraw this IA,
Okay,
so then the main case can decide this IA.
what was the matter about anyway?
This is like, this IA is for release of my trade license.
And the main case?
The main case is regarding this is that regarding the bank, they have the bank loan, so it was taken in my name, so there is some due, so still in my name. So then in that respect, and because they accuse us that since you have not given me the trade license, so we cannot repay the loan. This is not 420 at all. I have annexed so many judgment also. Then, my lord, this main case can be taken up on 13. I have spoken to the other count.
420 is compoundable. What about 406?
420. It's not.
406?
It's not compoundable, lordship.
420?
Yes.
IPC.
Yes.
Cheating.
Cheating.
Ah,
That the old act.
But depends on the depends on the amount also,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
What is
Actually, our contention is that this is not criminal case at all, considering the observation made by Supreme Court judgment
What
recently.
is 406?
406 is criminal breach of trust.
No, I'm just wondering, can the matter be referred for mediation?
No, not
It's
at all.
between two parties.
No,
But
no.
then this thing, FIR has been filed, isn't it?
It was not. FIR was filed. The police say that this is civil case. We cannot entertain.
So criminal complaint.
Yeah,
was filed.
then after that they have approached magistrate.
Okay.
Interestingly, even the magistrate also referred to the police for the investigation. And again, that came back, and the police also filed final report, and that final report was also accepted by the court.
So,
It is every there in the record.
So it's still pending in the trial court for what?
I don't know, because since that,
What do you mean, I don't know? So find out what's going on.
yes, my
What
lord,
is the
if
final
if it is
report?
fixed on 13 August, it can be disposed of.
What is the final report?
Final, actually, my lord, that attempt was made, it was failed, as per the last court order.
No, what is the final report?
Final report is there in my lord, page number, next, page number 86.
86. So what is the finding?
The finding is a criminal civil case. If you see 88, the final report was accepted by the court.
During
88.
investigation, okay, there's no dishonest misappropriation. No need to okay, then next date we can dispose
Actually,
of
if the council is ready, I'm ready now itself also.
No, this thing, we'll dispose of the IA first on withdrawal.
Yes.
And then we'll fix another date. Isn't
Yes.
it?
It's fine, Lordship.
But Mr. J.C. Lanunsana, learned counsel for the applicant, along with Mr. K. Rowland, learned counsel for the opposite party. The learned counsel for the applicant submits that he wishes to withdraw the instant interlocutory application since the applicant no longer wishes to pursue the IA. In view of the above, the IA number 24/2025 stands disposed of on withdrawal. Okay. Then you can, before, in view of the above, the presence of Mr. K. Ronit. No, we have already said heard, isn't it? So it's on withdrawal. Then in the main writ petition on the submission made by the learned counsels for both the parties, lists this matter on
14 October.
14/10/2025.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item 7.
Yes,
Yes, Your Lordship. This IA number 44 is regarding the application under section 419, subclause 3 BNSS for granting special leave to file an appeal against acquittal order, Your Lordship.
oh, this is under section, acquittal was charged under section
Nine.
POCSO.
Section 10, sorry, Your
POCSO.
Lordship. POCSO Act.
And conviction was, it was, okay, the accused was acquitted,
Yes, Your Lordship.
against which you want to file the, yes, heard Ms. Banu Isyami, learned additional PP, who has filed the instant application under section 419, within brackets 3 of the BNSS, 2023, for grant of special leave to file criminal appeal against
Please, Your Lordship, I'll be appearing on behalf of respondent number 3, bank. But today
Who is
morning
the
only,
petitioner?
in
Who is the counsel for the applicant?
Remroth, I think.
Are you going to file a written objection?
Yes, my lord. And one thing, my lord, I would like to mention is
It
that
is only 18 days, 18 days.
as per the documents which I have received, nothing was written here. How many days need to be condoned also? And also from the first page itself, it was mentioned that in the Guwahati High Court, the High Court of Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, it's still mentioned that from the first title itself. It was-
But the applicant, they are absent. So we'll fix another date, then we'll point out their mistake,
Yes, my lord.
isn't it? Mr.
Zodin Puyan Namte,
Zodin Puyanamte appears on behalf of
respondent
respondent
number 3,
number
UCO Bank.
3, while none appeared for the applicant / appellant. In view of the above, list the matter after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item 9.
Yes, my lord, I'm appearing for respondent number 1, and I'll be needing 2 weeks' time to file my written objection.
How many days delay?
102 days.
102, okay. Yes, Mr. Ram Murmu, learned counsel for the applicant is present along with Ms. Ruth so-and-so. Learned counsel for respondent number 1 and Ms. London Hui, learned government advocate for the state respondents. First off, the learned counsel for respondent number 1 has prayed for time to file her written objection. In view of the above, list after 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Supplementary item.
As allowed by this court, Your Lordship, we have taken substituted service upon the respondent through newspaper publication.
Oh,
Have submitted the affidavit of service as well. We've published the notification, the summons, one in Wanglaini, issue dated August 14 to 2025, and one in Chongte Times, issue dated 12 September 25.
the ones representing.
No one till date.
Anyway, we can wait for about 2 weeks for them to. This was dated
The second
12th
one is
September.
12th September.
Very recent, isn't
Recent.
it? So they'll need time. Anyways, heard Mr. Lal Pokoma, learned counsel for the appellant, who submits that he has, the appellant has taken steps for issuance of notice to the sole respondent through newspaper publication, and affidavit to that effect has been duly filed. Stop. On perusal of the said affidavit, it is seen that notice through newspaper publication was made in the Wanglaini newspaper on 14th August 2025, and the Chongte Times on 12th September 2025. Stop. Notice is therefore deemed to be complete upon the sole respondent. However, none appeared to represent the respondent. In view of the above, we may await for the respondent to be duly represented. List after 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Obliged.
Okay, no hearing today? No. I thought some matters were fixed.
Yes,
I think they were mostly fixed for Thursday.
Okay, Thursday.